How to fix Cash App. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix the Cash App error that says the recipient's account is unable to accept payments. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. This is the homepage of the app, as shown here. Once you're on the homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. From here, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. When you get there, tap on the option labeled Support. This will open the support page of the app. On the support page, you'll see several categories that help you troubleshoot different types of issues. Scroll down slightly and tap on the option labeled Payments. You will now be taken to another page with more options related to payment issues on Cash App. These include common problems users face when sending or receiving money. From these options, look for and tap on the one labeled Sending Payments. Next, you'll be taken to a page with more specific support topics about sending payments. Scroll to the bottom of this page and tap on Chat under the Contact Us section. This will open a chat box where you can type a short message explaining the issue. For example, that you are receiving the message, "The recipient's account is unable to accept payments." Once you've written your message, send it to the Cash App support team and allow them some time to respond. They will investigate the issue and provide a solution. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve the issue. If it has, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching. That is how to fix the Cash App. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments error.